Welcome to PrometAI. Let's explore how you can build and organize your startup network. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the Founders section in the Entrepreneur's Journey. Then, click Network from the top toolbar and drag and drop the Advisory Potential and Mentorship tools. In the Advisory Potential section, you review where your team may need outside support. Add the areas where you lack backup and list potential advisors. Click Generate to see suggested sources and networks for finding advisors. You can also join the waiting list for the PrometAI Advisory Program. In the Mentorship section, you can define your team's shared weaknesses. After filling in the details, generate a list of potential sources or networks. Your advisory and mentorship network clearly mapped with PrometAI.